Hey everyone, welcome back to the Beauty Finds. Today I'm breaking down 5 trending lip products that actually deliver results. Let's go. Number 1. Rhode Peptide Lip Tint by Hailey Bieber. This is everywhere on social media right now, and for good reason. The Espresso Rich Brown shade is absolutely stunning. It's a lightweight tint that doesn't feel heavy on your lips at all. Contains peptides that help hydrate and plump your lips naturally. The best part? It looks natural, feels comfortable, and actually improves your lip health over time. People love it because the shade works for so many skin tones. It's buildable so you can get the color you want, and it doesn't dry out your lips whatsoever. It lasts all day without feeling sticky. Perfect if you want an everyday tint that's also nourishing. Number 2. Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment in Sweet Macaron. This one's trending everywhere because dermatologists actually recommend it. This is an intensive lip treatment, not just a regular balm. The Sweet Macaron shade is a gorgeous, elegant, soft pink that complements all skin tones. It's packed with peptides that rebuild your lip health and boost collagen, plus ackee berries and nourishing butters. When people use this consistently for 2 to 3 weeks, they see real results. Lips get visibly fuller, softer, and healthier. The results are long-lasting, so you're actually investing in your lip health. If you have dry or damaged lips, this is absolutely worth it. Number 3. Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla. Over 3,000 reviews because it's the clean beauty answer to luxury lip care. This is a vegan lip balm made with natural butters, shea, mango, and cocoa, that melt beautifully into your lips. The vanilla flavor is subtle and works on all skin tones. No parabens, no synthetic dyes, just pure ingredients. It softens dry lips with a hint of vanilla flavor. People love it because it's vegan, effective, and actually works. Use it for instant moisture or at bedtime as a nourishing lip mask. Perfect if you care about clean, cruelty-free beauty. Number 4. LANEIGE Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. This Korean beauty staple is trending everywhere. It does 3 things at once, moisturizes, tints, and gives you a glossy finish. The berry shade is universally flattering. Contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E that deeply hydrate your lips. People love it because it conditions your lips while tinting them. Your lips feel softer, look fuller, and stay glossy all day. It's like a lip treatment that actually looks beautiful. If you want hydration with color, this is the one. Number 5. Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Hot Chocolate. This went viral because it works on every skin tone. The hot chocolate shade looks different but beautiful on everyone. It's not sticky like most glosses, and it has a subtle plumping effect that makes your lips look fuller instantly. People rave about the shine that lasts, and the fact that makeup artists recommend it constantly. This is the gloss that actually works. There you have it. 5 trending lip products that actually deliver. Choose based on what your lips need, not just the hype. All the links are in the description below. If you use them, I really appreciate your support. It helps me keep making these reviews for you. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the Beauty Finds for more honest beauty reviews. Comment below and tell me which one you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.